No, it's not working. The battery's dead.
A trickle charger is designed to charge your battery at a low current, which takes a bit longer than a fast charger, but will keep your battery in good health for longer. A good trickle charger will take care of your battery, keep it topped up and switch it off when necessary. They are perfect for rarely used vehicles such as classic cars, boats and motorhomes. Any battery will drain if left unused for a period of time, more so with electrically complex vehicles. A good modern smart trickle charger will intelligently read the battery status and go through a series of charging stages to optimise battery condition and keep it charged and ready for use. An intelligent trickle charger can be left permanently connected whilst the vehicle is in storage. These are easy to use products that plug into the domestic main supply and connect to the battery with a clip connection for each of the battery terminals. Unlike a dumb charger that will continue to push voltage into a fully charged battery, a smart charger such as our B6001 is programmed with multiple automated steps to prepare the battery to accept a full charge. Once the battery is fully charged, a maintenance phase periodically monitors the battery condition and tops up the charge as necessary.